Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a beauty salon landing page in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Beauty Salon Landing Page. Choose the goal that best fits your business and click Create. Inside your funnel, click Add Step and select an opt-in page or sales page. Choose a stylish landing page template and click Edit Page, start by adding a headline such as, "Look your best every day," or "Book your beauty appointment today." Next, write a short description introducing your salon, beauty treatments, and the services you offer. Add attractive photos of your salon, staff, hairstyles, makeup, skincare treatments, or nail services. Include customer testimonials, pricing, business hours, your location, and contact details to build credibility. Now add an appointment booking form where visitors can enter their name, email address, phone number, and preferred appointment date. Finish by adding a clear call to action button like, "Book your appointment," or "Schedule your visit." Click Save Changes and test your page. That's it. You've successfully created a beauty salon landing page in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.